Welcome to Mystery Facts USA, where we delve into the fascinating and the bizarre, unearthing the secrets that make our world an endlessly captivating place. In today's episode, get ready to impress your friends, blow the minds of your kids, and even dazzle your coworkers with part 2 of 101 of the most extraordinary and mind-boggling facts that will change the way you see the world and beyond. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into this odyssey of oddities. Fact 11. The sheer number of bacteria on Earth is mind-boggling. If you were to stack every single bacterium on Earth on top of each other, the resulting column would stretch for an astounding 10 billion light years. To put this into perspective, that's more than 10 times the diameter of the observable universe. Furthermore, these tiny microbes, each measuring just 0.001 millimeters in length, could wrap around the Milky Way galaxy over 20,000 times. This incredible abundance highlights the immense and often unseen world of microorganisms that inhabit our planet. Fact 12. Wearing a tie can have a surprising impact on your brain. A 2018 study revealed that wearing a necktie can significantly reduce blood flow to the brain by as much as 7.5%. This constriction can lead to a range of unpleasant symptoms, including dizziness, nausea, and headaches. Additionally, a tight tie can increase pressure in the eyes, and due to its close proximity to the mouth and nose, it can easily become a breeding ground for germs. Therefore, while ties may be considered a fashion staple, their potential health implications should not be overlooked. Fact 13. The fear of long words has a surprisingly long history. The 36-letter word hippopotamonstrous pacies, which describes the fear of long words, was first used by the Roman poet Horace in the 1st century before Christian era. He used it to criticize writers who excessively used long words, highlighting the absurdity of such a practice. It wasn't until the year 2000 that the term was popularized by American poet Amy Nezuki-Matathil, who, perhaps ironically, has a long and complex surname. This suggests that the fear of long words, while seemingly humorous, has a long and complex history, reflecting a deeper human concern about language and communication. Fact 14. Some dogs live exceptionally long lives. While the average lifespan of a dog is typically between 10 and 15 years, some individuals can reach remarkable ages. One such dog, an Australian cattle dog named Bluey, lived to the ripe old age of 29.5 years. This extraordinary longevity highlights the wide range of lifespans within the canine species and underscores the importance of genetics and lifestyle in determining an individual's lifespan. Fact 15. Cream Puff holds the record for the oldest cat ever. Cream Puff, a cat from Texas, lived an astonishing 38 years and 3 days, making her the oldest cat ever recorded. This remarkable feat showcases the potential for exceptional longevity in felines and provides a testament to the care and attention she received throughout her life. Fact 16. The sun, despite its apparent silence, does make a sound. While we cannot hear it directly, the sun does produce sound in the form of pressure waves. These waves, however, have incredibly long wavelengths, measured in hundreds of miles, far exceeding the range of human hearing. This phenomenon highlights the vastness of the universe and the limitations of human perception. Fact 17. Mount Everest is not the tallest mountain on Earth. While Mount Everest is widely recognized as the highest peak above sea level, it is not the tallest mountain overall. The twin volcanoes Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa in Hawaii are actually taller, with a combined height of 10.2 kilometers. However, a significant portion of their height is submerged underwater, making Everest the highest peak above sea level. This reveals the importance of considering different perspectives and measurement criteria when determining the tallest mountain. Fact 18. Our solar system has a boundary known as the heliopause. The heliopause is a region in space where the solar wind, a stream of charged particles from the sun, is no longer strong enough to push back the wind of particles coming from distant stars. This boundary marks the edge of the sun's influence and serves as a kind of wall between our solar system and interstellar space. Fact 19. Octopuses don't have tentacles, they have arms. While octopuses are often depicted with tentacles, technically they have 8 arms. Scientists differentiate tentacles from arms based on the location of suckers. Tentacles have suckers only at their tips, while octopus arms have suckers along their entire length. This distinction highlights the importance of precise terminology in scientific discourse. Fact 20. Most maps of the world are significantly inaccurate. The Mercator projection, a method of mapping the Earth's surface developed in 1569, is still widely used today. However, this projection distorts the size and shape of land masses, particularly those near the poles. For example, Alaska appears larger than Brazil, and Greenland appears 14 times larger than it actually is. To create a completely accurate map, it would need to be life-size and round, not flat. This reveals the inherent limitations of representing a three-dimensional object on a two-dimensional surface. Fact 21. NASA did fake part of the moon landing, but not the landing itself. While Neil Armstrong's first steps on the lunar surface were undeniably real, the astronaut quarantine protocol upon their return to Earth was largely a staged event. This protocol, designed to prevent potential contamination from extraterrestrial organisms, involved a highly controlled and televised process of isolation and observation. This highlights the complex interplay between scientific discovery, public perception, and the need for controlled environments. And there you have it, just a taste of the 101 incredible facts we've got lined up for you. You're hungry for more mind-blowing trivia? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Mystery Facts USA. Until next time, keep questioning the world around you. It's stranger than you think.